Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is shifted ellipse. So let's begin. We know the general equation of horizontal ellipse was x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. But in case of a shifted ellipse, the center point is not 0, 0 that is origin, but instead it is h and k, any general point. So the equation will become x minus h the whole square by a square plus y minus k the whole square by b square is equal to 1. A is greater than b, where b square is equal to a square 1 minus e square. The center is h comma k. The foci are s h plus ae comma k and s dash h minus ae comma k. In case of a standard ellipse, it was plus minus ae comma 0, but since the center is now h comma k, it will h and k will be added in place of 0. The directrix will become x is equal to h plus minus a by e. Here also the standard result was a plus minus a by e, but now as in x direction h is added, so it will be h plus minus a by e. The length of latus rectum LR is 2b square by a. Here there will be no change as there is no involvement of h and k or the center points. Parametric form P is h plus a cos theta and k plus b sin theta. Here also the center points are added. Next we will learn about the vertical ellipse, which is x minus h the whole square by a square plus y minus k the whole square by b square is equal to 1, where a is less than b and a square is equal to b square 1 minus e square. The center point here is h comma k. The directrix here will be the y is equal to k plus minus b by e. In case of a standard vertical ellipse, there was y is equal to plus minus b by e, but since here y point has center from k, so k will be added. The foci also, s will be h comma k plus be, s dash will be h comma k minus b. In case of standard ellipse, it was 0 comma plus minus be, but now since the involvement of center points h comma k, they will be added. Same with parametric form, which is the p h plus a cos theta and k plus b sin theta. Next topic is the focal distance. So consider the ellipse, a standard ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, where a is greater than b, means a horizontal ellipse. So it is a horizontal ellipse. Here is the center. These are the focal points s and s dash. A and A dash at the endpoints of the ellipse. The z and z dash at the directrix of the ellipse. And take a general point P. The coordinates will be a cos theta and b sin theta. Draw perpendicular from the point P to the directrix. Name it as M and M dash. And connect the line from S to P. Also draw perpendicular from P to the main axis. Name it as R. So here we can see that OQ, which is this O. Okay, my bad. Here the point will be not P, but instead it will be Q. So OQ, here the distance of OQ will be same as the distance of OR because here is the perpendicular drawn. So the distance will be the x coordinate, which is a cos theta. OZ dash will be a by e, and OQ here is a cos theta. OZ is equal to a by e. Here we have not considered the minus sign, so you have to consider when solving. SP, we know the general form, which is SP is equal to E into PM. In case here is E into QZ, Q to Z, so it will be written as E OZ minus OQ, which is same as OR. So it will be A by E. OZ distance from directrix is A by E, and OQ, which will be same as OR, distance is a cos theta. And here it will be negative sign. In case of S dash P, In case of S dash P, E into P M dash will be E into Q Z dash, which will be O Z dash plus O Q dash, which will be O Z dash plus O Q dash will be A cos theta plus A by E. Here we notice that SP is A minus AE cos theta and S dash P is AE cos theta plus A. So if we add both these, that is SP plus S dash P, we will get a constant which is 2A, which is the length of the major segment. So in other words, we can define the ellipse in this way, that an ellipse is a locus of a point P such that the sum of distances of P from two fixed points is always constant, S and S dash. Hope you understood today's lecture. Thank you for listening and share this with your friends. Do consider subscribing our channel and hit that like button.